This is another number that was taken from one of our group's CDs, and I had gotten together with this gentleman from Maui, and they were doing a land development. Well, actually, they were trying to build a hotel on this site, and when they were excavating, they found all of a large Hawaiian burial site of over 1,000 bodies, and they were trying to hide it. How can you hide that much? Jeez. So a whole bunch of Hawaiians went there and just squatted. And it was the first time ever that they shut down a major development. So what the development did was, instead of build it on the beach where the burial sites are located, they went up further above and built a hotel. And so he and I wrote this song in honor of that event, and it's called Honokahua Nani.
Ahe ai nanani Hono kahua Ona hono kaulana Aopirani Mena pu'u one Hui kamari Hari Rawana na ivi kupuna Wa ike mako Inawai vai nui Ona mo lenoa Heo kahiko My honey, honey, ikana hui ea o America. Hui pu me ka kono na pupuna. E malama pono ike o ne hana. Hui hou ka ko. Ahali alia Ika hono halana O hono kahua E mawana Ika kukai Mena Makani kupa o kai
Zeldin a song called Punukahua Nani'e. Mahalo.
Kene mo ko kane.
What a man. You are the man.
I don't know about that.
Wow.